Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Network Workspace. Today we are diving into new lab where we will be observing spanning tree protocol STP topology changes and then upgrading our network to repeat STP RSTP. You know about all. Okay, let's go. Why do we need spanning tree? The short answer to this question is Ethernet does not work in redundant topology because of Ethernet loops, also called layer 2 loops or broadcast stops. Without a technology that backs the LAN with redundant links into a loop-free topology, BUM. BUM is a broadcast, unknown, unicast, and multicast, known as a multicast domain. Okay, friends would loop around indefinitely until a link or a device just fails. This happens because of the way switches flood bump frames. Okay, let's dive into this problem in the next chapter. Important note is Ethernet does not work in a loop switch topology such as its triangle of interconnected switches. A technique that breaks the topology into loop free one must be used such as a spanning tree. So next question is what spanning tree does. Okay, we have seen why redundancy LAN technology required spanning tree to work. Now we are going to answer this question: what STP spanning tree does. Okay, so short answer is that from my side. Okay, friends, spanning trees prevent loops by breaking the redundant physical topology into a logical loop-free one. Now let's look at this. This is in more details. Creating a logical topology. We are creating new topology. Okay. So high availability is paramount in networking. So we always want to have redundancy at all layers. Look this one. This figure. 1, 2, 3. And it's are making loop. And here is block. So here, let's look the simplest LAN topology as an example in figure 1. Look this one. We can see two interconnected Ethernet switches. First one is switch 1 and second one is switch 2. Okay, and both are interconnected. If we have clients connected to switch 1, this one, and client connected to switch 2, this one, we would like to have a redundant connection. Both are connected together. Okay, connection between the switches. Otherwise, if the link between them fails, clients on switch 1 lose connection to clients on switch 2. It's very simple. Okay, and next one is how spanning tree works. The simple answer is spanning tree is based on an algorithm invented by Nadia Palmer in 1985 and was published in a paper called An Algorithm for Distributed Computation of a Spanning Tree in an Extended LAN. The algorithm creates a loop-free topology by selecting a single root bridge and then all other switches calculate a single least cost path to the root. Okay, now next we are creating a lab in Cisco Packet Tracer. Lab name is Observe STP Topology Changes and Implement RSTP. This is topology. We have two multi-layer layer 3 switch D1 and D2 and one layer 2 switch A1. Labeling is G1 slash by 0 slash by 1. Okay, understand? And next one is we have addressing table. In addressing table we have three label device interface and IPv4 address. We have D1 in D1 VLAN 1 and IP, D2 and A1. Next one is objective. First of all, part 1 is build the network and configure device setting. Okay, no problem. We can make. And second, observe STP and topology changes. Okay, no problem. Third one is configure and verify rapid spanning tree. No problem. We will make new topology. This is scenario. Please read this one. And next one is required resources. We will take two multi-layer 3 switch, 3650, okay, and one 2960, and one PC, and console other unnecessary things. Okay, so part 1 is build the network and configure basic setting and interface addressing. We don't waste time in this sheet. We will go to Cisco packet tracer, okay, and make the new topology. Open. Okay, so we have diagram. Where is our diagram? Not this one. This one. Okay, we will take two multi-layer 3 switch 3650, and here is our Cisco packet tracer. We go to here and here, okay, and one more. Okay, so one is there, and one. Okay, layer 2 switch. This switch name is D1. This name is D2, and this one A1. So next is okay, G1 G1/01/ okay, there, okay, and okay. Next topology, okay, and 5 and 6, no problem. 5 and 6. Okay, again 1 and 2, this one and this one 2. Okay, and 5 and 3. 5 3, and also we will 6 4. So G1 01 G1. Okay, okay. List. 1/0/1 copy and here paste. Okay, fifth of this side, right hand side is fifth and left hand side is sixth interface. So no problem. 5 or here 6. Okay, here 1 and then 2. 1 F01. Okay, F01. 5, one more, 6. Okay friends, our labeling is uncompleted now. F0/1. 2, 3, and last one is 4. Okay, so there A1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we are starting configuration first. How to work spanning tree. So friends, first of all we will configure D1 switch. D1 is a multi-layer 3 switch, and let's go. Going to ALI. Okay, device must be powered on. Okay, and now is power on. Wait. Okay. No. And wait. Okay. En config D. First of all, we will give name, host name D1, and now activate spanning tree mode PV ST. Okay, and now this one banner MODT and okay, D1 STP Topology changes and RSTP lab. This is our banner and enter. Now line console as usual, line console 0 and exact time at 00 and logging synchronization. Okay, next is exit and interface. We will give the interface range G1/01 24 and G1/1/1 to 4. Okay, and now shut down. No, shut down. Look this one. Port is not opening yet. So okay, and exit and interface range G1/01 and G1/05 to 6. Okay, and switch port mode trunk, and now I think port is up but not. Look magic. See the magic now. See the magic. No shutdown. Look this one. D1 to A1. Port is up now. Look, color is changed, and then we create the VLAN and VLAN 2 name is second VLAN and exit. Okay, and interface VLAN. Yes, VLAN 1. Okay, IP address. IP, where is our IP? IP is here. VLAN D1, VLAN 1. Okay. Okay. IP address 10.0.1, sorry, 0.0.1 and subnet are 255.0.0.0. And now this one. No, shut Okay, exit. Oh, D1 is completed now, and now we are going to D2. Okay, so I will close this one and open D2. And first of all, power supply and then okay. So we will go to D on D2 and CLI and then no and en config t. First of all, we will give the name, host name D2, and then banner MOTT. This is D2. Okay, STP topology changes and RSTP lab has. Okay, line console 0. Exact time at 00 and then login and exit. Now we will use the interface range G1/01 0/124 and G1/1/1 okay, and shut it down, exit. Now interface range G1/0/1 okay, and G1/0/526 and switchboard mode trunk. And now okay, no shut. Oh okay, look what is off up and exit. So we will create VLAN 2, then VLAN name is second VLAN okay, and exit and interface VLAN first IP address is D2P2 okay, 10.0.0 to 255.255 no 0.0 okay, Okay, everything is okay. And now exit. So I will close this one and go on switch A1. So here is power supply, no problem. Go to CLI, config T. Okay, first of all, first name A1 banner MOTD hash A1 STP topology STP topology changes and RSTP lab. Okay, so we will active spanning tree mode. Spanning, okay, spanning tree mode PVST. Okay, and line console 0 accept timer 00 and login synchronization. Okay, and exit. What happened? Okay, now we will give interface range FO1 to 24 and G0 1 2. Okay, and now shut down and exit. And VLAN 2 name is second VLAN. Exit and then interface VLAN first and IP address is 10.0.0.3 255.0.0.0 and okay, look, no shut. Interface VLAN change state to down. Okay, how is possible? Exit. IP address VLAN 1 is 0.10.10. Okay. Okay friends, all ports are up. Now I write the code again, that one. Okay, and now this time is all ports are up state. You can see and write the code carefully. So no problem, and now we are going on next step. So let's see, and we are sending message switch 1 to here successful, and one more message sending here to here successful, here to here successful, here to okay, everything is successful. Now next step is okay. Okay, debug command is not support does not support in packet tracer, so no problem. We will make topology in UNG or GNS, then we will see. And uh, put this one. VLAN 001 spanning tree enable protocol. Okay, very good. Root ID priorities. Then this one address is that one. This is the root. Okay. Hello time 2 seconds measure 20 seconds. Not delay 15 seconds. Everything is okay. Or interface. Okay. Okay. Everything is okay. Then lesson. Successful. 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 Um, Successful. Okay. We will. This is our first lab on spanning tree. Next lab is on other topic on STP. Okay, see you.